In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to migrate your Pi token to mainnet. So guys, let's dive right into the video. This is Tutor Faraday channel. The first step you need to take is to go to your Pi browser. Go to your Pi browser app like this. So right here is my Pi browser. This is the total amount of Pi I have on my browser, and this is the available amount of Pi I have here. Looking here on the screen, you can see the locked Pi and also the one you can actually move to your mainnet. We are not talking about the locked Pi in this video. So in order for you to move your migrated Pi into your mainnet, the second option here, that's the one you need to click. Go ahead and click on it like this. Looking here, you're going to see that this Pi token is pending until 2024 27th December, and it is locked until 2024 27th December as well. So in order for you to actually move it to your mainnet, right here, clicking on this option where you can see migration, right here you can see history and also you can see migration. So clicking on migration like this, right here you can see the amount of Pi you have on migration. You can see that the one on migration is actually the one you can actually move to your mainnet. Clicking on migration like this, right here you can see where it says move. Go ahead and click on that. So when you click on that, this is the total amount of Pi you have. This is the duration, 2 weeks, and the fee that they are going to actually take from you is 0.1 Pi. In order for you to actually move it to your mainnet, you need to go ahead and click on the confirm button. You can see the confirm button on the screen. So once you click on the confirm button like this, it is going to start loading. So you just need to wait patiently like this. After waiting for a while, you're going to see something like this. You have successfully moved the amount to the available balance. So you've been able to move your migrated Pi into your available balance. And this is how simple it is to migrate your Pi token to your mainnet. Looking here on the screen, you can see that our available balance has actually increased from 0.01 Pi to 145.10 Pi, as you can see on the screen. So this is how simple it is to move your migrated Pi token to mainnet. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this. I do videos like this on this channel, as well as how to fix app-related issues. So if this is really what you want, do it, hit the subscribe button. It's really going to help you. See you in the next one.